If you are a fresher and looking for a job, then this video is for you. Watch the video till end and I will explain you two different opportunities. So the first one is from HSBC and the role is of data analyst and the job is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is the job ID. Please try to get referral from an HSBC employee. If you have direct connection from HSBC employee or if you don't have any connection with HSBC employee, then try to get referral by requesting on LinkedIn from HSBC employees. The job working style will be in office and also the job is full time. Also try to apply before 26 March 2026. Now let us move on to key responsibilities. So these will be the key responsibilities. Mainly it is based on data analysis. You can read this. I will provide you the link in description. Main skills required are Microsoft Excel, Power BI. Python is also required in data analysis skills to process data. Pandas, Matplotlib and NumPy are the most important libraries for data processing. So if you know that, this is good for you. Also, if you know automation, this will also help you. Now let us move on to preferred qualifications and experience. So you should have prior working experience within agile methodologies. This will be highly advantageous for you, reflecting an ability to adapt to evolving priorities and deliver value incrementally. If you do not have this, please mention ability to adapt quickly in your resume. This can help you in getting shortlisted. Also, you need strong analytical and problem solving skills with the ability to communicate complex concepts clearly to both technical and non-technical audiences. So add problem solving, analytical and good communication skills in your soft skills section in your resume. If you don't know how to make good ATS friendly resume, then just comment below the video and I will make a separate video on the format of the resume, its ATS score, how you can check ATS score and how you can improve it. So this will also help you to get shortlisted in any job listing. Okay, so now let us move on forward. So you should have demonstrated ability to collaborate effectively within cross-functional teams and thrive in a fast-paced, dynamic business environment. Add teamwork in your resume. Try to show your experience through your projects. Like add your college group projects in which you can show your teamwork skills in intro. Okay, so now let us move on to qualifications. You require bachelor's or master's degree. Final year students can also be considered in the field of mathematics, statistics, computer science, engineering, economics, or related. Fresh graduates from good colleges are welcome. So if you are from good colleges like IITs, NITs, or any other government colleges, or BITS Pilani, or any other good colleges that comes under tier 1 or tier 2, then this will add you an advantage. And the technical proficiency required is you should have basic knowledge of data analysis tools, example Excel, SQL, Python, Cloud Query, like BQSQL are mandatory. So you need these basic skills, and this job is for fresher. So you do not require that much skills. You should just know basics of this, and you should have project and this skills. This can easily take you to this job. So please apply for this job posting fast. I will provide you the link in description. Now let us move on forward with the next posting. So this posting is from Intuit and the role is of software engineer 1 and the job is located in Bangalore, India. Also it is a full-time job. This is the job overview. You can read this by pausing the video or I will provide you the link in description. This will be your roles and responsibilities. You can also read this. Now let us move on to qualifications required for this job. You need bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or a related technical field. or equivalent practical experience. Please note that if you do not have much strong degree, then you need equivalent practical work experience. These adds an advantage to you more than master's degree. You should have foundational understanding of agile development, object-oriented design, and programming principles. These comes under basics of programming languages. And you should know coursework, internships, personal projects, or academic experience with one or more programming languages, example Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, etc. So as you are from BTech or MTech background, you should have known these languages. And also you should be proficient in that languages and also data structures and algorithms. As data structures and algorithms is asked in every interview, almost every interview. You should have basic knowledge of front-end web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and familiarity with frameworks or tools is a plus. So if you know this, this will add you an advantage in getting shortlisted. You should have strong written, verbal, and collaboration skills with the ability to work effectively in a team environment. You should have awareness of AI concepts and a basic understanding of capabilities like generative AI. Generative AI is an AI that generates content like Gemini, ChatGPT. So if you know basics of this, this will also help. You should have willingness to learn and adapt to new priorities, tools, and technologies in a fast-paced, dynamic environment. So this was about the job. This job has also been recently posted. Please apply for this job posting fast. These companies requires freshers and will also offer you a good compensation. So please try to get shortlisted in these companies. I will provide you both the links in description and also subscribe our channel for latest job related updates. Thank you.